Welcome back. Ag Business video number 5 for whole number calculations using Excel. Let's take a look at problem number 5. Max combines 4 bushels of wheat per minute. 1 bushel is equal to 60 pounds. How many pounds are harvested in 1 hour? So these are the categories that you are going to need to complete this problem. We have, starting in column B, bushels per minute, pounds per bushel. It's given to us right here. Pounds per minute, we'll need to calculate that. As we've been doing in our previous problems, we're converting our hours to total minutes. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and pause the video to complete this. I'll give you some notes here. Once again, bushels per minute, you're going to have to make this column a little bit wider. Pounds per bushel. This column, and I think maybe the total minutes or total pounds maybe have to be wider, but let me know if you have a question about how to do that. And then after you get all your categories in, you're going to want to put a border underneath it. I'll go ahead and do that again. So right now you have no border. Select column B through column H. Come up to the font group and choose bottom border. You're going to also want to put the headings in the center of the cell. So pause the video and get these categories in. Have you come by and look at it, or to answer any questions you may have as far as putting these headings in. And then we'll do some calculations. Let's go ahead and put in the information that's given to us here. Max combines 4 bushels of wheat per minute. So let's go ahead and put the 4 in. We're given that 60 pounds equals 1 bushel. Pounds per bushel, 60. So we're not given how many pounds per minute. That we need to calculate. We were given bushels per minute, not pounds per minute, but we know that there's 60 pounds for 1 bushel, so how many for 4? That's right, you need to multiply. So 4 bushels at 60 pounds per bushel will tell us the total pounds that it can harvest per minute. 240 pounds per minute. So now we have enough information that we can go through and do some calculations based on the amount of time, or the total minutes, that we're actually running our combine. So as we did before, how many minutes in an hour? 60. And the problem is asking for just 1 hour. We need to calculate our total minutes. One hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. So now, can we do our total pounds harvested in 1 hour? What do you think? Those of you that are saying, well, I need to take how many pounds I can do in a minute, in 1 minute, and multiply it times the total minutes. And you would be correct. $240 pounds per minute times how many minutes? 60 minutes. And to make the number a little bit easier to read, we can come up and insert commas. And then if you want, because we do have no decimal places for this, we can decrease decimal places right here in the number group. So now we can clearly see we have 14,400 pounds harvested in a total of 1 hour, or a total of 60 minutes total. And if you want to, you could put all of these in the center. So your assignment for this video is to go ahead and solve problem number 6 in a similar fashion that you did with problem number 5. we're going to make a few changes from what you have on your worksheet. So let's make this total of 12 bushels. 12 bushels of wheat per minute and harvested in 8 hours. And so when you finish that, have me come by and take a look at it. And be sure to save your workbook.